Google, am I beautiful?
Help you learn more about Am I Beautiful? What do you want to know?
Shut up, I prefer Siri. Siri always tells me I'm beautiful and that I look young. Bye. Don't mind me, guys, I'm so playful.
Just wanna let you know.
Hi guys, good evening, it's evening over here and welcome back to my videos. It's your favorite YouTuber NdatseNdomo, and if this is your first time watching any of my videos, you're welcome to my channel. I realize it's been a long time since I did any of my beauty and fashion looks, so today I'm bringing you this age-defying makeup tutorial. I was actually going to break it in 4 before, but I decided to just put everything into one video. So I've gone in and giving you guys tips on eyes, skincare, lips, and every single thing, and I'm also giving like life tips on how you can be age defying or more youthful or more vibrant and more glowing. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video,
Different from those who claim to be exceptions. Now you wonder if love is a mystery because of all the heartbreaks written in your history. I know I'm the last guy you should give a minute.
Now to have that age defying look, let's call it age defying look, you need to be sure that like you have a natural beginning of your eyebrows. So the darker place should be at the tail, and then it should be lighter here, as you've seen me do with this one. Like, because I don't have a lot of hair at the start, I just make it really light, so I reduce the pressure on my hand when I'm doing my eyebrows for this part. So let's just go in and do it. So I apply more pressure and I put more color at the end of my eyebrows at the tail. Then one more thing I have to mention, which is super important for this age defying tutorial, is try as much as possible to follow the curve of your brow bone. If you're going for the regular look, I mean, if you're doing something crazy or creative or like editorial look and everything, that's different. But if you're going for the regular look, try to follow your natural brow bone. So this is my brow bone, and I'm letting my eyebrows get very full so that I don't have to do a lot of coloring, because my eyebrows tend to be very sparsely colored. So this is my natural brow bone, and as you can see, my hairs are curving this way. So just feel where your natural brow bone is and let's follow your natural curve. Like, eyebrows are so important, and I don't know, like, I feel a lot of people just jump on the makeup trend and just do this because they see it on one tutorial and do that because they see it on another tutorial. That's not actually the way it's supposed to be. The way it's supposed to be is the techniques remain almost the same wherever you go, but the facial structure is different, the shape of your face is different, your eyebrow arc is different, your eyebrow shape is different, the hairs on your, like, everything is different from person to person. And I can say this with confidence because I do makeup on the side, so I've worked with different shapes, face of shapes, I've worked with different facial structures, different colors of skin tone, I've worked with so many people. So you need to, like, you don't just do, the techniques are the same, but you don't just do the same curve of eyebrow. And then I typically like my eyebrows to have that soft womanly curve. I don't really like them to be like pointed and then down like I see a lot of people do. I like it to have that soft. Also, you should work on doing your eyebrows in such a way that you don't need to. I rarely ever conceal the top of my brow bone these days. Like, it's so not necessary. You need to work to get to that point where you don't need to like conceal and contour everything. Just let everything flow seamlessly and perfectly. That also gives you a fresher look, you know. But the next thing you should do, or the next thing I like to do, particularly because if you notice on me particularly, this my eyelids are really dark, like they have this burnt look, and I don't even know where from, but I think my eyelids have always been dark like this. So my normal routine will always be to use concealer. But if you don't have that skin discoloration, it's okay. Like, you don't really need that level of concealer except if you're going for like an eye base or something. So let's just go in with the concealer, and just, this is not an eyebrow tutorial, this is like an age defying look tutorial, so I don't want to focus too much on the eyebrows, but I'm just showing you like the technique, how the process is, where like we're moving step by step.
To my heart, say you'll be mine. Hey. Stay with me, baby, me love you, be see, let be my queen. I will be your king.
So the next thing I'm going to be doing after that is your eyeshadow colors and your eyeshadow. So when it comes to colors for eyeshadow, if you want to achieve this really youthful glow, the two things you can do is, one, you either keep it bare or have this like nude look on your eyes, this brown tones and subtle shades, or you can go in with playful colors. Playful colors tend to make you have this vibrant, glowy, playful, younger, age-defying look. So for today, I feel like I've done a lot of bare in the past, so I'm going to go in with a playful look for you guys to see, like playful colors for the eyebrows. So guys, yeah, I'm done with my colorful look. The purpose of this tutorial is not to show you guys how to do eyeshadow. I have different like tutorials already on cut creases and stuff. I don't know what's with my lighting, but this is actually purple, pink and white. So these are the shades I actually used to achieve this look. This purple, this pink and this one, in case you have this palette. It's the BH Cosmetics palette. So one more tip I have for you guys for the eye-defying makeup look and everything is to wing your eyes. So wings tend to give your eyes this, wings tend to lift your face. So when you wing your, as I want to reiterate again, know your structure of your face. But for the most part, wings tend to give your eyes this lift, which also complements a like lifted look for your whole face. So I like to give myself wings, not for the age-defying look, but because I like wings. But this is another tip which I thought you guys should know, like always wing your eyes if you're going for that age-defying look. And I mean like serious wings, so I'm gonna go and do that.
And before I forget, here's your diamond ring. Stay with me, baby.
So when it comes to eyelashes, there are some eyelashes that when you use, or when like people use it for your makeup, you tend to look like 1,000 years older than your age. You should go for more natural looking. There's an eyelash I used in one video and it just like added 5 years to my age. So you should look for like eyelashes which are more natural, and I'll tell you eyelashes which are natural. The non-natural eyelashes are eyelashes which are like long hairs all clumped together, and I have an example of that. I used this one in one of my videos and I just like didn't like it turned out nice, but you know, for that age-defying look and everything, nope. So like this kind of eyelashes, everything is long and all like clumped together, is not exactly the best. I tend to prefer this kind of eyelashes actually, which have like a more natural look, like you have length and you have space in between the length. I'm not sure, I hope you guys can see. This one, which gives you length and space in between the hairs. So my one tip for the skin, I already went in and did the foundation. I'm focusing on the tips for the age-defying look, so I'm not like showing you guys things I've already shown you guys before. So my one tip for applying your foundation is, if possible, make sure you use maximum of 2 coats. But for me, I personally don't even think that's necessary. I prefer you use a maximum of 1 coat for your foundation, because you know you're still going to layer it with your highlighter, you're still going to layer it with your contouring and everything. So I just don't like when I see people like pack on foundation onto their skin. This is your skin you're talking about, are you guys kidding me? So that's my one tip for applying your foundation and for skin work. And then make sure like your blending is really good. Now my second tip for the skin work is the highlighting and the contouring. So for highlighting and contouring, you should look at the structure of your face, you should look at the shape of your face, like what is your face shape like, what style of contouring will snatch up your face and lift it up. Because normally, like usually, like if you have this snatch look and you contour too deeply, it tends to add age onto your face. But when you have this like more rounded, fuller look, so you need to like make sure, like what I'm doing now, I'm just highlighting in such a way that I can stretch this place, or not stretch, but give my face an illusion of a lift from this side. But I'm not going to really go in with that, you know, snatch curved contouring, because that tends to, you know, really, also depending on the shape of your face, that could be a good lift for your face. But for me personally, when I do that snatch look, like it gives me a real snatch. So I will contour in a way that I will like still have a more rounded, curvaceous, fuller face to age-defy.
Fold in the fire by your beautiful bridesmaids, cheered on by all friends and classmates. Yeah.
If you're done with your makeup and you feel heavy, like your face feels caked, then something is wrong. Like you should be done with your makeup after applying all your products, and still your skin should still be able to breathe. You shouldn't like feel heavy. Do you understand? I'm sure the girls and the guys who do makeup out there understand. Like you shouldn't feel like you're carrying a mask on your face. No, it's makeup, it's not a mask. So just try as much as possible to, you know, don't cake so much and don't layer so much. Layer to the bare minimum and work on your blending for good skin. So I'll just do this and then I'll contour my face in a very rounded way, and then I'll come back and show you, tell you guys the tips for the lips. Ooh, tips for the lips. So guys, for the lips, my one quick tip for age defying lips is you either go in with like playful pink, peachy nudes, like playful colors, playful and vibrant colors, because I noticed like these colors tend to, you know, your face is one, and when people look at you, the first thing they see directly is your eyes. That's why they say the eyes are the something of the soul. I would remember and put it down there. So that's why, like, and when you use lipsticks, this reflects in your eyes, like the whole color. I don't know how to explain it to you guys scientifically, but the whole color kind of like shines through your eyes. So that's why if you notice, when you use darker matte lipsticks or darker shade of lipsticks like black, you tend to look like older, more fierce and everything, because the color reflects in your eyes. I don't know how to explain it, but if that makes sense, try to make sense of it. So for your age defying lip color, I typically like to go in with my Urban Decay Cosmetics in Insanity. I'm sure you guys already know this shade by now. And then I like my lips to have this glossy look because it tends to be more vibrant and more playful. So for your age defying look as well, you might want to add a gloss over it. So I've added this gloss over it to have that vibrant, warm, playful, glossy, glowy. Remember how when we were like 12, 13, we always use lip gloss on our lips and Vaseline to make it shine? Yeah, so you know that youthful, playful glow for your lips. I'm trying to think of if I've forgotten anything. Then you see, like I contoured my face in an uncontoured way, so I just contoured it, leaving it still like fuller and fatter cheeks that I naturally have. And then one more thing which I almost forgot is blush. Blush tends to add like a pop of color to your overall look when you're done. So and another thing I forgot to add is highlighting your brow bone, so it kind of like pops and comes out, and you know, makes you look like shiny. So for my blush, what I like to use when I don't have a blush, like right now, is my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna rub some eyeshadow on my hand and just, I'm not really a blush girl, I don't really like to blush, so I just put this here, and then I blend it in. So I'm not really a blush girl, but blush tends to give you that rosy cheeks and that glow and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. Let's ask Google how old I look. Did I ask you to say my age, Google? What the hell is wrong with you? I'm still in my 20s, but I don't know, like Google just pushed out my age out there, like how dare you. So yeah, which brings me to very, very important tips. Like aside trying to use makeup and whatnot, there are other things you need to focus on for like to remain vibrant and young and happy. My first thing is, don't like stress too much or worry too much about things which you cannot control. If you can control it, change it. If you cannot control it, just let it go. Smile, be happy, like have joy from the inside, because this tends to show outside. I actually noticed it personally, like anytime I'm really stressed, it shows on me. Like even when I do my makeup and I want to do my videos, it shows on me. But whenever I'm like relaxed and chill and just like, God, you like do whatever you're gonna do, I know you're in control of everything, I begin to feel a lot more it shows on my face, like I have my youthful look back and everything. That's my one thing. So let it come from within. Be joyful, be happy, play, put up some music, dance, laugh, watch comedy videos on Instagram or YouTube. Just be happy, just be happy. Just try to be happy, no matter what it is that you think you're going through. Just try to be happy. That's my first tip. And then my second tip, other outside of the makeup thing, is drink a lot of water. This is something I struggle with, even though I know it's really good for my skin. Drink a lot of water. And then my third tip is have a good skincare routine, because after applying all of this product, you need to, you know, take care of your skin, because you cannot be like, this is not an everyday thing. So yeah, I hope I have covered it, or whatever I have not covered, I'll probably catch up with you guys in another video. I actually wanted to break this video into 4, but I said let me just go with it since I've already started. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below. I'll also leave my face. If you click on my face here, you will subscribe to my channel as well. And then I'm also going to leave my other videos in this video, so you can check out my videos. So you can check out this one, you can check out this one. My battery is so low, I really have to go. So that's for this video, guys.